Mom, your wig's gonna blow off.
Follow for more videos like this.
No, man. Can't. Okay, wait in my mouth, man.